Formulas are the foundation of Excel. They turn a spreadsheet from a place where you type answers into a tool that calculates for you. Every formula has three core parts. First, it starts with an equal sign, like equals A1 plus B1. Second, it uses operators or functions. Operators include plus for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, slash for division, caret for powers, and brackets to control the order. For example, equals open bracket A1 plus B1 close bracket times C1 tells Excel to add first, then multiply. Third, formulas reference cells such as A1, B2, or C2. This is what makes them powerful. If you hard-code a number, like equals 1245.5, the result stays fixed. But if you write equals B2 times C2, Excel multiplies the units by the price and updates instantly when either cell changes. Now build a simple invoice. Create columns for item, units, price, total, discount percent, cost, profit, and final price. Total is units times price. Discount amount is total times discount percent. Profit is total minus cost. Final price is total minus discount. Change the unit count on one row and watch every connected formula recalculate automatically. That is the real power of Excel formulas. With SoftClue,